Hi, I'm Logan with DMC. Today, I'll be showing you how to use our one-step and two-step banding tools, the DBS 1100, DBS 1200, DBS 2100, and DBS 2200. These MIL-qualified tools and band variations are intended to secure EMI shielding onto backshell adapters that see widespread use in the military, industrial, and medical applications. Designed for welded buckle bands, the DBS 1100 and 1200 tools utilize a two-step process to both tension and cut the bands. The first step of the process tightens and severs the band, leaving an excess cutoff tab. The second operation secures the band by using a rollover tool to bend the cutoff tab. The DBS 1100 applies a 1/4 inch wide band, while the DBS 1200 applies an 1/8 inch wide band. The final product is less sharp compared to one-step tools, and it's ideal for overmolding applications. Designed for stamped buckle bands, the DBS 2100 and 2200 are one-step tools that process 1/4 inch wide and 1/8 inch wide bands respectively. These tools tension, bend, and cut the band in a single operation. Bands can be purchased in pre-coiled or flat configurations. Since all bands must be coiled twice, most operators prefer pre-coiled options when possible to increase speed. When using the two-step banding tools, ensure the band is oriented loop up. Then, squeeze the tension handle until it locks. Lift the red handle up and over to bend and cut the band before using the rollover tool to secure the band. For the one-step banding tool, insert the band loop side down following the diagram on the tool. Depress the gray trigger to insert the band. Tension the band using the bottom black handle until it locks. Then use the red handle to cut the band. Replacement blades and replacement part kits are available to extend the life of your tool. One-step tools have upper and lower blade replacements, while two-step tools have one blade replacement. Accessories and toolkits are available. DMC also offers both calibration and repair services, as well as in-field tool verification equipment. Visit our website to access our servicing portals and for more information. Two-step banding tools are also available in pneumatic versions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out the links below and follow us on our social media.